Mataas na respeto at pagkilala sa mga overseas Filipino workers. Yan ang paulit-ulit na maririnig sa mga mamamayan ng Israel patungkol sa Pilipinas at sa mga manggagawang Pilipino na nakasalamuha at nakatrabaho nila sa kanilang bansa. Labis din ang kanilang pasasalamat sa mga Pilipino dahil sa husay at profesionalismo sa trabaho, partikular ang mga Filipino caregivers na karamihang nasa Israel.
First of all, I have met very few kind people that you can say that across the board. Everyone is kind and nice and peaceful. And the Philippine people, they are very famous here in Israel. They are the best they're best in everything that they do, but the best in caregiving and spreading love and peace around the nation. Bravo to you. May God bless and protect you. From the Jewish people in Yerushalayim.
Very nice people.
I worked with them in the garment center in New York. Very nice people.
Thank you very much.
Accountants and well-educated.
I had an aide for my father for 5
Caregiver.
years. Yeah, caregiver. She was wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Philippines.
Philippines.
Philippines is a wonderful place. I was there more than 3 times.
Oh.
Maybe 4 times. Amazing place.
How about the Filipino people?
Very good people. I like them.
The Philippines is the best people I know, and I can't wait to come and visit Siargao. I want to come visit Siargao.
Patunay na ang Pilipino ay maipagmamalaki sa buong mundo. Mula rito sa Jerusalem, Israel, Wedge Kujamat, Abante News.